Okay, we're just getting the... let me come with the camera so I can... we'll see. We'll monitor what it does. So if something goes wrong, I can show the Chinese, hey, fault. There's our main power from the sun panels. So yeah. Main power shut off. And this one I can't really see. Okay, let's put the camera there, then you can turn it on and we'll see what happens.
Turn it on?
Yeah. Nothing. Hmm?
Oh, oi.
Ooh.
That's too much for it.
It didn't change anything. Anyhow, it smoked and burned. Why? What's the voltage here? 80, huh?
Yes, 80. What the maximum power?
It burned right out. Maximum power 100 volts, it says on it.